everyone, this is another video from Easy Electric series, and today we are going to learn how we could design the simple box and lead in Fusion 360. You could actually have the just simple lead for that, or you could have the simple lead with the handle for your box. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is another video from Easy Electric series, and today we are going to learn how we could design the simple box with the lead in Fusion 360. So let's to start with actually have a new design. So I'm going to actually have new design. Let to come here and choose the plate Y and X and create sketch. So let's start with the box. For making the box, I'm going to first have a rectangle. So let's do choose actually the single rectangle. So I go to the origin. Let's do 30 tab 30. So enter, just make sure it is a constraint. So you see it is a constraint. Let to finish this, and let to extrude this to the 30. So we actually extrude that for a 30. So now just a little zoom in. So I'm going to use actually the shell, this section, and want to be a thickness, inside thickness will be 2 millimeter, and say okay. So as you can see, we actually have the box with the thickness of 2 millimeter. So now let's to actually do the lead. So for doing the lead, let's to just select here this surface and say create the sketch. So now we are in the sketch, and let's to see if we could choose actually this area. So I just select that surface in that sketch, and somehow if you turn off the body, so you see actually you somehow need to have the projection of that. So that's the reason I actually let to turn this on. I actually select these section, and then comes here and say project. So I click on that. So for select, you select this, and then you actually say okay. So now you finish the sketch. So now, if you actually back here and somehow turn this off, you have that projection over there, right? So, and easily you could work on the lead. So I choose this surface, then I actually extrude that to the negative 2 millimeter. So let's just say negative 2. It goes down, that should be the new body. So then, so to just keep this on. So then I'm going to choose this one and this one, and this time extrude the surface to 2 millimeter. It comes up. This time should be joined, and you say okay. So if you take a look, so you actually have also the lead. So if you actually bring the everything back, so you see you actually have the box, and also you have the uh, lid. So you could actually move these lid a little bit. So if you choose the 2C, if you select the body 2, which is our lead, then actually push the M. So you could actually move that a little bit. So I move that a little up and say okay. So if you take this down, and you are able to see that. So you could actually do use the fillet tool. Let I actually go back and select the everything. So then I say fillet, then I say 0 0.5. So then you actually push the OK. You see it gets rid of the sharp edge. Now you could actually click on body 2, right click, Actually, you could select this. Let's just do this. Select the lead, then push the M. So it's actually bring move copy, and you're actually able to move that back. So I say okay. So as you could see, easily with using uh, the concept that you learn in previous lessons, you will be actually able to design these simple box with the lead over there. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.